Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey. Whoa. Good morning, everybody. It's August 17, 2022. My name's pianomattyb. That is Scaramucci's. This is your morning TA. A brief glimpse into the crypto markets where the sun's shining, where the wind's blowing. All a humble opinion of this piano. Zamboni bringing the data. The FOMO index has slipped down to 41 from yesterday's 44. Bitcoin dominance is 39.9%. 24-hour volume is 69 billion. And sing it with me now. Heartbreakingly low. And the overall market cap is 1.14 trillion. Give or take 100 million. Overcord week, hump day, C over G, classic storyteller / huge liar, one upper of epic proportions. You went on a boat last weekend? Wow, C over G just bought a boat. Going to Vegas with friends? Wow, C over G lived in Vegas and was a pro blackjack punter. Wouldn't you know? Golf game with the dad next week? Wow, C over G has a free membership at that golf course and was offered the pro job, but turned it down, obviously. But when you're not really C and you're not really G, you have to let everyone know you are something, even if it is built on a musical house of lies. Steady as she goes, says the crabs on the charts, as we sink into a deep consolidation pattern this week. I suppose the market's waiting for a fundamental catalyst like the FOMC minutes to be released to nudge it up or down. Even though there isn't anything we don't already know in these minutes. Regardless, the market is like a gossipy little so-and-so at recess that likes to get its groove on when Jerry Pow Pow is on the ones and twos. Speaking of so-and-sos, the noisy little so-and-so saw price action slowly edge down all day, like an old man on a train falling asleep, bottoming at 23.6. But out of nowhere, price action did a what in the who now and jumped above both moving averages, peaking out at 24.4 for getting bear slapped all the way back down to at time of production 23.8. Now, bulliciously speaking, there is some hidden bullish divergence of the kinky kind, as price action has made higher lows, while the MACD has made slightly lower lows. It's not hella bullish, and it may not be something, but she sure ain't nothing. Now over on the ding-dong, a.k.a. the daily chart, we can see we're edging closer to a rising wedge support line, albeit a shooting star candle, which indicates more bearish action. We should be hoping for a bounce from that 23.7-ish level back up to 25.5, but that's if, I say if, we don't break out and down from her. If said breakdown happens, keep your papers on 23.1 and 22.6. Other notable mentions would be the 50% fib level of 22K, which is also at the tip of the 50 moving average. One bullish obstacle in this breakdown path is the hidden bullish divergence of the kinky kind. As price action has made higher lows, the MACD has remained flat. It's also weak and might not be something, but but she sure ain't nothing. Now, when it comes to legacy investors, I usually don't care what said dinosaur is doing or not doing, whether they are bullish or bearish, because most of the times they have no idea what they're talking about. And they're usually a product of a stock market that has gone up and to the right for 50 years. They've had enough of Dad's money to get in early and wait. And now they're obviously geniuses. But Michael Burry is the only one I keep my peepers on. Is he a lucky contrarian? Maybe. Is even a broken clock right twice a day? I guess. But I'm also not exactly sure what that even means or how it would be applied to Burry. But he is 100 years younger than the next generation of genius investors. And he has a savant-esque attention to details, research, and data. He also has a lot of market sociopathic qualities that keep him immune from emotional hangnails and psychological hijinks. So when he quietly exited the market, like all the bankster mob families did, before the crash of 1929, it is worth a pause and a hold the phone and, well, maybe, just maybe he knows a little bit more than, say, you and I. At the end of the day, only time will tell if that broken clock rings for the second time. And remember, we're playing the same game as our psychopathic elected lead. That's right, it's the long game. So zoom out and have a fantastic day. And sing it with me now. Around the banks of boom to spank, Bitcoin, crypto, morning tea. Hey, whoa, make sure you like and subscribe and share this